Having a whole home humidifier requires some maintenance. Let me walk you through it. Hi, I'm Brent with Western Heating, Air and Plumbing. Today we're talking about how to maintain your whole home humidifier. So if you have a humidifier like this one, it does require that you do something for it at least twice a year. Right here you'll notice that you have to adjust from summer to winter. This opens up the damper and allows the airflow through the humidifier. The other thing that's really important, you have to change the humidifier pad in the humidifier every year. If you don't do this, this can cause clogging in the drain, and then you have a bigger issue on your hands. The pad is easy to replace. It's very important that you take note that it is directional. A painted stripe indicates the top of the humidifier pad. Make sure that that is placed at the top of the cartridge. As an added precaution, I usually shut the water off to my humidifier if I'm out of town for any length of time, but that's a personal preference. Certainly not something you would have to do. Changing your humidifier pad and maintaining your humidifier is a service that we provide. So please give us a call today. We'd love to help you out.